13's Abby Aconi.
All right, good morning, you guys, and yet another day with stormy weather ahead of us and cloudier skies to go around. In fact, some areas this morning dealing with mostly cloudy skies. That's what we see from the top of Pikes Peak. A view from our Summit House Neighborhood Weather Network camera shows overcast conditions. Others seeing some breaks of some sun this morning. Just be prepared for mostly cloudy skies, though, throughout the rest of the day. The threats we're monitoring today: the potential for some heavy rain later on, along with some gusty winds, some hail, and a couple of tornadoes, especially for the eastern plains. Your storm tracker is updated to show the latest risk threat that we're tracking. So Colorado Springs included in that slight severe weather potential, and this extends into the northeastern corner of Colorado and also dipping further south today. We're going to be keeping our eyes on this area, the highlighted area, throughout the afternoon. Be sure to tune in with Storm Tracker 13's Jason Laird, who's filling in for Rachel tonight at 4, 5, 6, and 10 p.m. He's going to be watching that. Day planner shows that we could have just a few spotty showers this morning, but the primary activity will happen later on this afternoon. Morning temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, 70s, and 80s later on. Relatively mild temperatures, but when you factor in the mostly cloudy skies and some heavy rain potential, yeah, those temperatures will feel a bit cooler. Some of the 80s for the eastern plains and the 50s and 60s for some of the mountains. 75 today for Alamosa. Day planner in Teller and Fremont County show that morning temperatures will range in the lower to upper 60s, reaching the 60s and 70s for daytime temperatures this afternoon. A look at live HE Doppler radar. This is the view over the last several hours. You can see just some of these storms tracking off to the very far northeastern corner of Colorado and exiting our state partially. Earlier, though, we did have some really strong storms for some of the I-70 corridor areas, also near Fort Carson. Hail, rotating storms, along with a lot of lightning were some of the factors here. Now, for everyone shaded in green, as you see on our map, under a flash flood watch starting at noon, and this expires at 10 p.m. So just be aware of the fact that due to some afternoon storms and a lot of moisture to go around, we could have some standing pooling areas along with some flooding concerns. We'll be watching the area burn scars. Mid-morning, some showers possible along the Palmer Divide. This morning, a lot of that activity taking place west of the I-25 corridor, but this afternoon, again, expected to impact a lot of the region. 7-day forecast, here you go. We are looking soppy over the weekend, and will stay pretty soppy through Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday will start to take a break, and those temperatures will rebound to the upper 70s. Overnight temps in the 40s and 50s. In Pueblo, 82 today, 81 tomorrow, upper 70s Sunday, Monday, and then a break for us Tuesday all the way through Thursday. And in Canyon City, 78 today, 77 tomorrow, and we are looking wet over the weekend. Morning time frame, Saturday and Sunday, shouldn't be all that bad, but still a couple of spotty showers are possible, so factor that into your weekend plans and make sure you have a backup, something indoors. Teller County, 67 today, upper 60s tomorrow, wet and unsettled the rest of the way on out, and we will be tracking just what to expect throughout the rest of the day, of course, during our Good Morning America cut-ins as well.
All right, Abby, thanks.
Yep. Now we're going to check in one final time with Mike Lewis at KRDO News Radio for your time saver traffic.